A mildly misaligned tooth can affect the appearance of a smile, and treatment options depend on the individual situation. A dental professional evaluates the tooth position and discusses cosmetic and orthodontic treatment options. In selected cases, cosmetic restoration may improve the appearance of a mildly uneven tooth without changing its actual position. If cosmetic restoration is appropriate, the tooth is carefully prepared while preserving healthy tooth structure. A tooth-colored restorative material may be carefully added to improve the visible contour of the tooth. The restoration is carefully shaped to create a more balanced appearance while preserving natural anatomy. The cosmetic restoration is professionally set and refined for a smooth, natural-looking finish. The completed restoration is polished and carefully checked for a natural appearance. Cosmetic restoration may improve the appearance of selected mildly uneven teeth, while orthodontic treatment may be recommended for tooth movement when needed. This video is for general education only. For concerns about tooth alignment or smile appearance, consult a qualified dental professional or orthodontist.